Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a wire is cut in a half. One of the halves is thrown away. 1/3 of the remaining half is cut away and the piece is 9 feet long. What is the original length of the wire? Let the original length of the wire be x. So from given condition, as one of the half is thrown away, so it will be 1/2, and 1/3 of the remaining half is cut away. So after taking 1/3 away, we are left with 2/3. So we can write here 1/2 into 2/3 into x equals to, piece is 9 feet long, so it will be 9. Since after taking 1/3 away, we are left with 2/3. So after solving this, we get 1/3 of x equals to 9. So here x will be 9 3s are 27. Hence, original length of the wire is 27, and from available options we have option B as 27.